Hi folks, welcome to Small World Layouts. My name's Jules. Recently I had a chance to revisit the Dean Forest Railway located just outside of Lydney near Gloucester here in the UK. The Dean Forest Railway, or DFR, runs along part of the old Severn and Wye railway lines, which were originally founded over 200 years ago. The current line is approximately 4.5 miles long, running from Lye Junction station to Parkend. The main station is located at Norchard in the middle of the line. We joined the train at Norchard after a bit of a fallen tree detour. We were a bit concerned that we may miss our timetabled booking, but we needn't have worried as the lovely folks at the DFR held the train to accommodate us travelling adventurers. Norchard Station is set in the Forest of Dean, and on a rainy, wet autumnal day in October, the trees looked amazing. You have got the option of upgrading your ticket to travel in the first class coach on the upholstered sofas and armchairs at the rear, but despite looking very grand, we weren't tempted. Our engine for the trip was the beautifully turned out BR Pannier number 9681. It looked a very diminutive engine to be hauling 5 quite full coaches, but it managed with ease. Shows what I know. Oh, did I mention I was in company? We set off from Norchard up the line to Lye Junction. Yes, I know what he's doing, but he is the Grand Devil and he is full. At Lye Junction, we enjoyed watching the pannier tank run round at quite a turn of speed, I thought. While we were there awaiting the engine recoupling, I was impressed with a ballasting train that was on the other platform. Amazing piece of engineering close up, and the cab itself looked like mission control. But we were soon off again, headed for Parkend. At Parkend, a guard advised us to get on the footbridge to watch the engine run round and take on water. Me and the Grand Devil enjoyed really experiencing the sight, sound, taste and soot in the face of the pannier tank as it went underneath us. But it was a great experience to watch the water crane being manipulated and the engine's thirst replenished.
What did you do it?
Keep watching. Arriving back at Norchard, we waved the train away to do another trip in the rain. But you know what they say. The sun shines on the righteous, and it did, with spectacular effect.
Up above the streets and houses, rainbow climbing high. Everyone can see it smiling over the sky. Paint the whole world with a rainbow.
We really enjoyed our trip, and I've not even mentioned the excellent museum, decent cafe, fantastic second-hand book carriage, friendly staff and well-stocked shop. But I have now. We look forward to returning very soon. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe to the channel.